Let's count objects. Are you all ready? Come on, let's start. How many stars? Will you count for me? Yay, it's a 3. Great job. How many flowers? Come on, count. Well done. 1 flower. Proud of you. How many bags? Let's count. Very good, children. 2. How many crayons? Let's count. 5. Great. How many apples? Let's count. Fabulous. 4 apples. How many butterflies? 7 butterflies. That's great. How many toys? Let's count. 6. Very good, my dear children. How many pencils? Let's count. 8. Fabulous, my dear children. How many books? Let's count. 10. Wonderful job. That's great. How many balloons? Come on. 9 balloons. Very good, my dear children. Amazing job. Thank you so much for watching.